Hello Click Designers, this is Diane, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some new features recently added on ClickDesigns. These are the text and shape outlines, along with the border and gradient features. Let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to choose a box shot because I want to choose an existing template, but you could also do this and start from scratch and apply to any design as long as there is a text layer and there are shapes. This is how the text in the box shot looks like. So I have this text layer right here. I will turn on this option called Advanced Textile, and I now have the option to have my text in different shapes. So I have here this curved text right here, and then this one, and then this one, and this one. If I want to add a stroke effect to my text, I will just tick this button right here and turn this option on. And then I will choose the color of the stroke shadow or stroke effect that I would like. Dark blue. There you go. And then you have the option to make the stroke width thicker by increasing the thickness and decreasing it as well. Aside from that, let's tick gradient color. This time, I can change my text color into gradient colors of my choice. So if I want this one, for example, and then another color, let's just say this one. Let's adjust the colors. There you go. So now I have my text in gradient color. And also we could choose the gradient angle. I could make it lower or higher. I could play around with it to check how the appearance will be of the gradient colors on the text. Now let's add some shapes. Let's click on shapes and then let's choose some shapes that we could add right there. And then another shape right here. Okay, so for the shape option, we have the gradient color option as well here on shapes. You could play around with the shape color and choose what best color palette to use for your shape. You could also play around with the gradient angle right here as to how you want it to appear. And then let's just select the same color for our shape. Let's click that and then let's paste our color code right there so they look the same. And then let's copy the second color from here. Let me make it a little bit blue right there. I'll copy that and then I'll paste the color code here. That's how it looks like. And then for the shape, the second shape, I could do the same thing. I could add a stroke option on the shape. Then I will add that color and then I will make it a little bit thicker right there. For this image right here, let's add a stroke as well. Then let's choose a different color just to see the stroke effect. And then let's make it bigger. There you go. There is a purple stroke right there. Now let's add another shape. So let's try this shape right there. And then let's tick this one, gradient color. Automatically, the color palette that I entered here for this arrow has been applied to this shape as well, as you can see. And then you could choose the gradient angle. You could also add a stroke. Now that I've rearranged some of the shapes, I have the option to add another shape or another text layer. For this text right here, brilliant ideas, let me go ahead and add the gradient color option. There you go. And this time I'll make it white. There. And then I will also turn on the stroke option right here. And then I will make it into a different color. There you go. So let's preview my design. This is how my design looks like. And there you have it. This is how easy it is to add borders, gradients, and outlines on your text and shapes. See you in the next video.